Are you aware of how important your kidneys are to your overall health? These often overlooked organs play a crucial role in our bodies. Not only do they filter out toxins and excess substances from our bloodstream, but they also regulate our blood pressure, control the production of red blood cells, and balance our body's fluids. Maintaining kidney health is, therefore, of utmost importance. Neglecting it can lead to serious health complications, including kidney disease. One of the easiest ways to keep our kidneys healthy is through our diet. The foods we consume can either aid our kidneys in their vital functions or strain them further. In this video, we're going to unlock the power of nutrition, specifically focusing on 6 essential foods that can help maintain and improve kidney health. From everyday fruits to nutrient-rich vegetables, the right choices can make a big difference. Stay tuned as we delve into the 6 essential foods that your kidneys will thank you for. Our first superfood for kidney health is the vibrant red bell pepper. This delicious veggie is a powerhouse of nutrients, and its benefits extend far beyond just adding a pop of color to your meals. When we talk about kidney health, one of the key elements to watch out for is potassium. While this mineral is necessary for our body, too much of it can be harmful to those with kidney issues. And here's where red bell peppers shine. They are low in potassium, making them a perfect choice for a kidney-friendly diet. But the goodness of red bell peppers doesn't stop there. They are also incredibly high in vitamin C. This antioxidant not only boosts your immune system, but also helps protect the kidneys by preventing oxidative damage. And let's not forget the abundance of other nutrients they contain, like vitamin A, vitamin B6, and folic acid. All of these contribute to overall kidney health, ensuring they function at their best. Incorporating red bell peppers into your diet is a breeze. You can slice them up for a crunchy snack, toss them into a salad, or roast them for a sweet and smoky side dish. Whether you enjoy them raw or cooked, they're sure to add a burst of flavor and a heap of health benefits to your meals. So, add some color to your plate and your kidneys will reap the benefits. Next up on our list is the humble yet powerful cabbage. Now you might be thinking, cabbage? Really? But let me tell you, this common vegetable is a secret weapon when it comes to kidney health. Cabbage is packed with essential vitamins that are integral to maintaining kidney health. It's a major source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in preventing kidney stones and helps keep blood pressure levels in check. Apart from that, it's also rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from harmful free radicals. But vitamins aren't the only goodies hidden in this leafy green. Cabbage is also a fantastic source of dietary fiber. This nutrient is essential for healthy digestion and can aid in preventing kidney disease by helping to flush toxins out of your body. Now, how can you incorporate cabbage into your meals? Well, the beauty of this vegetable is its versatility. You can have it raw in salads, stir-fry it with other veggies, or even use it as a wrap for your favorite fillings. You can also try making a hearty cabbage soup or stew, perfect for those cold winter nights. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook this kidney health superstar. Add some cabbage to your cart and start reaping its benefits. Who knew this common vegetable could be a kidney health powerhouse? Let's move on to a kitchen staple that's also a kidney health champion: garlic. This pungent, aromatic bulb is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, especially when it comes to our kidneys. Garlic is rich in compounds like allicin and selenium, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be a significant detriment to kidney health, leading to chronic kidney disease and other complications. By including garlic in our diet, we're helping our bodies combat inflammation, thereby promoting healthier kidneys. But that's not all. Garlic is also a proven fighter against high blood pressure. High blood pressure can put a strain on your kidneys, overworking them, and eventually leading to kidney damage. Garlic acts as a natural blood pressure regulator, ensuring that your kidneys can perform their functions without undue stress. Now, you might be wondering, how can I include more garlic in my diet? Well, there are countless ways. You can start by adding minced garlic to your sautés or stir-fries. Roasted garlic makes a delicious addition to mashed potatoes. You can also use garlic powder as a seasoning, or enjoy a warm cup of garlic tea. The possibilities are endless. Remember, it's not just about adding garlic to your food, it's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes kidney health. And garlic, with its myriad health benefits, is a perfect ally in this journey. Garlic not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also brings a host of benefits for your kidneys. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it seems, the kidney problems too. Now that's a saying we've all heard before, but have you ever wondered why apples are often touted as an everyday superfood? Well, apples are packed with beneficial nutrients that provide a myriad of health benefits. One of the most significant of these nutrients is dietary fiber. This humble nutrient is a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. Dietary fiber aids digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. It also lowers levels of bad cholesterol and can assist in weight control, all of which contribute to better kidney health. But that's not all. Apples also possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can be detrimental to your kidneys, and here's where apples step in, acting as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. They contain a type of flavonoid called quercetin, which has been found to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two significant contributors to kidney damage. So how can you incorporate the superfood into your diet? The beauty of apples lies in their versatility. You can eat them raw, bake them into pies or muffins, or even add them to your salads for a sweet and crunchy twist. If you're feeling adventurous, try juicing them with other kidney-friendly fruits and vegetables for a nutrient-packed drink. And remember, while apples are beneficial, they're not a substitute for a well-rounded diet and regular checkups. So make sure you're getting your daily apple to keep your kidneys in top shape. Did you know that the omega-3s in fish can work wonders for your kidneys? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Omega-3 fatty acids, primarily found in fish, are like superheroes for your kidneys. They swoop in and combat inflammation, one of the leading contributors to kidney disease. These essential fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid, or EPA and DHA as they are commonly known, are the real stars of the show. They help in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in your kidneys. This is crucial, as chronic inflammation can lead to kidney damage over time. But that's not all. Omega-3s are also known for their ability to lower blood pressure, another crucial factor in maintaining kidney health. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels in the kidneys, making them less efficient at cleaning your blood. But with omega-3s in your diet, you can keep your blood pressure in check and your kidneys functioning smoothly. So what's the best way to incorporate these omega-3s into your diet? Fish, specifically fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout, are your best bet. Experts suggest eating 2 servings of fish per week to reap the maximum benefits. Remember, it's not just about adding fish to your diet, but making it a part of your lifestyle. The benefits of omega-3s are cumulative and most effective when consumed regularly over time. With fish on your plate, you're not just enjoying a tasty meal, you're also looking out for your kidneys. Last on our list, but certainly not least, are blueberries. These vibrant berries are not only delicious, but also packed full of health-boosting properties that can do wonders for your kidneys. Blueberries are abundant in antioxidants, those helpful compounds that combat oxidative stress in our bodies. These antioxidants are especially beneficial to our kidneys, as they help to reduce inflammation and protect these vital organs from damage. In particular, they are rich in a type of antioxidant known as anthocyanins, which are responsible for their deep blue color and are known to aid in kidney health. But the benefits of blueberries don't stop there. They are also a great source of vitamin C and K, as well as fiber, which can further support your kidney health. Vitamin C boosts your immune system, while vitamin K helps with blood clotting and bone health. Fiber, on the other hand, aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, which indirectly supports kidney function. Incorporating blueberries into your diet can be as simple as adding a handful to your morning cereal or yogurt. They can also be blended into smoothies, baked into muffins, or even enjoyed on their own as a sweet and healthy snack. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook these tiny powerhouses. They may be small, but their impact on your kidney health can be immense. Blueberries, small in size but mighty in kidney health benefits. So there you have it, 6 essential foods for maintaining and improving your kidney health. Let's do a quick recap. We began with red bell peppers, a low-potassium food packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, which are all great for kidney health. Next, we dove into the world of cabbage, a cruciferous vegetable full of phytochemicals known to break down harmful substances in the body. Then we spiced things up with garlic, a flavorful fighter that reduces inflammation and lowers cholesterol. We then moved on to apples, an everyday superfood that helps reduce cholesterol, prevent constipation, and protect against heart diseases. Our 5th food was fish, a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Lastly, we explored blueberries, antioxidant-rich fruits that help protect your kidneys from damage. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in your overall health. So, make these 6 foods a regular part of your meals and give your kidneys the care they deserve.